Notice how my currency format has been changed from dollars to CFA. In this short Google Sheets tutorial, I would like to show you how to change the currency format for a piece of data. So I have in cell B3 $2,000. It is formatted as dollar, and now let me show you the steps to follow to change this currency format to whatever currency you may want. Now the first thing is selecting the cell where you have your data, and I just did that. Next, I'm going to go to format, and from over here I'm going to select number, and over here down below I'm going to scroll until I find this custom currency option. Click on it, and now this will open up the available currencies that we have and that we can use. And so I'm just going to pick the CFA franc, for example. I'm going to hit apply, and notice how my currency format has been changed from dollars to CFA. Now this is how you do it. If you learned something new, please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next one.